Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, yeah, is my fifth video. So yeah, we have must finish this video for the one day. So I'll make it speed run for the video. So in this video, I would like to make some tutorial, not tutorial, but explanation about this the AGRP routing AGRP. So the previous video I have made four. The first is to make it about PNet, and then the second is about lab one AGRP for the basic until lab three, and then the third video I made AGRP about access list for the odd and even, and then the sixth in lab six. For the fourth video, I made the lab six about filtering administrative distance. Yeah, like the number for the routing protocol. Like AGRP is 90. Yeah, I already made four video and then this is five. So in here I would like to explaining the this lab seven about authentication. Authentication. So first, before I we go to the lab, I will explain the analogy for the key analogy for routing authentication. So as you can see here, the there is keychain, there is keychain, there is key. How about this? No. Yeah. There is keychain, there is key ID and string. So what is the meaning from that? So the analogy like this. There is chain, yeah. There's the circle for chain for the key all keys. Yeah, all key maybe. And then this the keychain, my keychain. This all is my key. This is my keychain. And what the meaning for the key ID? For the key ID is the meaning for the key. For the key ID one. So it is one. And also if you want like key ID two. Is the two. And here the key ID three. There's three. And string, my key string. Yeah, string is the meaning the keys for from the key. Especially this keychain cannot use space. And then key ID, choose the key. Choose the key. And where is it? There's the limit, and the string is the key. Like 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. It's the yeah, like that. Uh, and also for the keychain, there's two encryption. For the two protocol security, there's plain text and also MD5. So plain text given is only the encryption and not encryption. So what's the difference for the encryption and not encryption? If we enter the data and for the plain text, the data will be appear and we can for read that data. And but the different and the authentication and the encryption, it will be become random code, so we can to read the data from the security, from the authentication, from the encryption, and then we goes to the wait, yep, and we goes to the lab. Let's continue with the same what topology. There's a URP authentication. So in here, first we must know access list one permit. Yeah, before the lab from the lab 6. After we know access list one permit, we go to the router one for the make the keychain first. Keychain, the name is AGRP. Yeah, for the circle and for the chain AGRP, and then key one. The key one is the main ID. The key one is ID one. Key string is the means code for the answer the answer to the description for the authentication and exit, and then we go to the interface gigabyte Ethernet in here 1/0, and then goes to the IP authentication mode AGRP10. AGRP10 it means the routing protocol, yeah, the routing AGRP, and then the 10 is my autonomous system for the IS number, and the encryption for data is MD5, and then after we give mode for the AGRP for the routing AGRP, we go with that again with IP authentication, but keychain, yeah, the key, the circle for the chain key with routing AGRP with my autonomous system and the name for the keychain, yes, it's keychain AGRP, and also in routing and router 2, yeah, in router 2, keychain AGRP for the name, and key 1 is for the ID, and key string CCNP for the code, and exit. And then we go to the interface again, interface gigabyte Ethernet 1/0 with IP authentication mode AGRP 10, and my authorization, my IS number 10, and MD5 for the protocol for the encryption the data, and then we go to the IP authentication keychain. Yeah, the key, the chain for the body. Yeah, the chain, and then the AGRP 10 for the routing, and then the 10 is my IS number, and then AGRP for the name for my keychain. And answering, yeah, for the answering AGRP for the answering if the authentication is running. Another one in mode privilege, we write the debug AGRP package. So in another one, it will be, yeah, randomly, not randomly. It will, it will load this text. Ensure that there is not string packet received received with MD5 authentication authentication with the key ID is one. Yeah, like this. So for the sample, July 8th, and it is time, and this the from IS from the my IS 10, and the sequence is like that. First I have the hello package on loopback no 0 neighbor 1.1.1.1. Then yeah, like this. The answer is like this. Receive package with MD5 authentication, the ID one. Yeah. That's for the make sure the keychain is for the authentication is running in our routine. Yeah, maybe that's all for me for explanation about keychain in Live 7. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.